Why not speak Chinese? Why not?
Just Thai, beauty you Chinese. 你好。
Repeat after me. 10.
Boobs! You what? Sorry, did I just say it out loud?
Excuse me, mate. I think you're in my stand.
Well, can't you just stand somewhere else, mate?
No, look, I've reserved this space here. Could you move?
No, I'm not moving. You move.
Are you going to move or not?
No.
Right. That's it.
Whoa! Get off!
Just move, will you?
You move.
Oh, just move.
You move.
Oh, move.
You move.
Move.
You move.
Move.
You move.
You move. Move.
No.
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 Move. Forget it.
Can you come inside and wash your hands now, please, Cristiano?
Oh, Mum, can't Jamie stay for dinner?
No, it's time for Jamie to go home.
Oh, Mum, please.
I said no!
Oh, Jamie's mum lets him stay out.
Well, I'm not Jamie's mum, am I? Jamie, come here, please. I said go home! Now you, bath, now!
You coming out for the Mexican night, Phil?
Yeah, I'll throw the old poncho on, show my face, you know.
Yeah, I won't go too overboard on a fancy dress. Johnny always wins.
Credit, though. That's an amazing tash he's got.
Yeah, true.
Hey, gringo! I'm the Juan for you. Chico, piñata?
Sid.
Who's that?
This is your conscience, Sid.
What?
You've been a very naughty boy, Sid.
I ain't.
Leaving them banana skins on the floor so people slipped on them.
No, I didn't. The bin bag, it ripped.
Bin bags? To dispose of biodegradable banana skins? You
What?
must be punished.
No.
Gets him every time.
This Chinese character means 10 in English. This is its syllable 10. Repeat after me. 10.